So as you can see, the walls are nice and white now, where I had all that mould there before. It's all gone. I've painted it white. I've put this little shelf up here. I just thought it looked very, I'm going for a minimalistic now, very plain white, very relaxing. So I've got this little bonsai tree in this frame, in this little house kind of frame. I think it's really cute. I can't remember where I got that from now. I think I got that from Amazon actually. That was from Amazon. I've bought this big frame here with the black because I'm liking the, I don't know, like my bedroom, sorry, the bathroom, and I did all the black and whites. I just think it looks very fresh, very classic, and it just never goes out of date. I've got the 50 by 70, it's a large frame, and I have got a print coming from Desenio, so I can't wait to show you that. I've got it all white here as well on my fireplace, so I'm really liking that. I've put my big mirror back up, and over in this corner I had all shelves. I've taken all of the box shelves out. I just wanted to have a plain wall. I might get in the future some very thick floating shelves, which means if I do that, I would definitely have to get rid of that light there in the corner, which is literally just screwed in the walls, no electric, as you can see it's running off a wire here. Yeah, so I would have to get rid of that, but for the time being I'm just going to put a print there. Because of the lockdown, I would have to get a professional in to give me some thick chunky white floating shelves, and it's a very wide area. I don't know if that's like 120 centimeters this width here, so very large shelves would have to go in, and I'd need it the thickness of the wall. That would be perfect, very flush. So yeah, and then I've got the TV on this wall here painted white. It's all been painted white, and it was all wallpaper before, but yeah, I've taken all the wallpaper off and painted it white. And the other side of my room as well, which is like this, I am in the process of going to recoat this when it dries, because this needs another coat. But yeah, that is what's happening at the moment. So yes, I have just got my Desenio print this morning. I'm so looking forward. I did put the sideboard up yesterday. It looks like this. I've put a few things on there. As you can see, there was the lampshade. I've got my diffuser there, candle, and little ornament there. I'm going to put some dried pampas in there. I've got some on order, and I'll show you that when they come. Just got a little vase there at the moment. And yeah, so up here is my frame, and I can't wait to put my picture in. So let's get this out and I'll show you what I've got. I also have a £5 off with this video, so yeah, I can't wait to get this out. Right, so let's get this print out. I'm really excited to see it. So let's have a look what we've got. Whoa, there is my print, and I think that's just very delicate, and it's there, and I just love the fact it's like on a portrait. It's kind of like the background's blurred out. So I just love this picture because it's got the blurred background, but it focuses on the little flower at the front there. So I just thought it looked very delicate, love the colours, and I think it would just brighten up the room, but looks so lovely at the same time. So right, I'm going to put it in the frame, and I'll get back to you once it's in the frame. So there it is. I think it just looks very beautiful in the frame now, and I'm going to hang that up and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so there it is up in its place. So I think that looks really, really nice now against everything. So I think it looks really perfect. I'm very happy with that. So yes, that is my new Desenio print. I did a large one. I think it just looks perfect, very simplistic. And please check out that description box down below, because you are going to get your £5 off. Go to Desenio, they have some beautiful prints in at the moment. This is one of their new ones. I really like it. So yeah, don't forget to use the code. So this morning I had a really exciting delivery, and this is another Desenio print, so I can't wait to open it. I'm going to be putting it into this frame because I have another white sideboard which I haven't showed you yet, and I'll show you. So let's take a look at the print and let's get this open. Okay, so here it is. It's a little bit bent, and I think that's just because it has been raining. I had this kind of sticking out of my letterbox, but it's here. It looks like this. It'll probably straighten out once it's dried a little bit. It's still damp on the letter envelope, but yeah, it's similar to the one that I've already got, that I just showed you, the bigger one. So let's get it in this frame. This frame, this black one here, I got from Amazon. So let's get the bits off here so it can, just the protective film really. Let's peel that off. I've got it in the corner there. And always remember to do the other side because it's on both sides. Otherwise you get kind of like a blurry, not as clear. There we go. Now you can see how clear that is. Right, so that goes in. Lovely. Just put. Okay, so the picture's gone in, and I'm just going to put the back in here. And then close that up. The frame, like I said, is from Amazon. It's 21 by 30, and that's exactly what I needed. And there is the print. I hope you can see that. Like I said, I just love this delicate print here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you, zoom out. Okay, so here is my big print, as you can see. That's the big print. There was the light that I showed you, and I did get the dried pampas here. I think they look really nice. There's some small ones and there's some larger ones, whiter ones at the back. I do have some black ones on their way. So yeah, so that's lovely. And as you know, I got my sideboard as well with the 3 doors, and very spacious, and also the lights do come on and they work with this tiny little remote control. You can change it to any colour you want, which is really, really nice. And you can have it any colour you want. You can have it yellow. I really like the white one. As you can see, it just looks like a nice natural tone. So that's my new sideboard, my new light from and also my new print from Desenio. So that's why I got the similar prints for the other side. So just going to turn that off. So if we go back to the other side now, you can see that I have this lovely sideboard here. It's from it's got this nice gloss all over, and also it's got a little light. So if I press it here, you can see that it's just got this light, and it does really light up. Not showing much now, but in the night it actually is quite a bright light. So I've took the light from this section now, because that is now going to be my light there. There is the frame now that matches the other one from Desenio. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I've got my diffuser there. I still use that. I've also got a candlestick phone. I've changed it into a black candlestick phone. I've always wanted one of these. These are from Amazon. And I just have my flowers behind that I got from IKEA. Let's just make them look a little bit better. So yeah, so they're from IKEA, and the vase down here below is from HomeSense. So yeah, so that's the look right now.